Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research on how to get started in affiliate marketing with YouTube. Well, you're in the right place, and over the next few minutes, I shall be giving you some useful tips and tricks how to get started with using YouTube in affiliate marketing. And my channel, my YouTube channel, is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing, full of useful tips and tricks on how to get started. So click the subscribe button below and don't miss out on any new videos coming out. And let's grow the channel as big as we can, help as many people as we can. And also, if you're interested, click the link in the description below and get access to my 4-day free training series. Loads of strategies in there to help you on your way starting out in affiliate marketing. So, how can you use YouTube to get you started with affiliate marketing? Well, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume you've already got a product to promote and you've built out a sales funnel. So let's look at YouTube. Now, YouTube is a fantastic method of obtaining traffic to your website or your landing page, and it's free, totally organic. Now, there are a few things to bear in mind. It's not just a case of uploading a video and hoping for the best. There are various tips and tricks you can use to help get your videos seen by as many people as possible. Depending what niche you're in, what area, what product you're promoting, there are certain phrases. If you're in the weight loss industry, for instance, putting a search term in as how to lose weight, when you're getting started out, is very unlikely that you'd be able to rank a video for that keyword phrase. Because it's got such a high volume, and when your channel is fairly new, it won't have the authority in YouTube's eyes to put your video in front of your audience. So when selecting your title or keyword phrase, choose something that people are likely to search for. Avoid search terms that are going to have a lot of volume, and you can check this out. Google have a free keyword tool, so do some research on your keywords, see what kind of volume, how many people are searching for that particular keyword phrase, and then also use the actual search box within Google, within YouTube, and you can see how many people, how many viewers the various videos are getting. If it's into the tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, it might be worth changing that keyword slightly. In fact, I'm going to give you an example now. I'm going to do a dive into the computer and share my screen with you, so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So here we are in YouTube. So we're actually going to use a search term for one of my videos. So if someone was to type in the phrase, how to succeed in affiliate marketing, 8 tips to success. Now my video ranks #1 for that exact phrase. Now in reality, the chances of someone typing that exact phrase with the 8 tips to success at the end is quite slim. So if we was to take that end bit out, so how to succeed in affiliate marketing. So remember, I for the exact phrase, I'm #1. When we do a search for just how to succeed in affiliate marketing, let's see if we can find my video now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, it's quite a way down. It's about 25, 26. So the chances are, if someone typed just how to succeed in affiliate marketing, the chance of them finding my video people don't normally scroll down that far. However, if someone was to type in tips how to succeed in affiliate marketing, which is a variation of my long keyword phrase. Let's see where I am now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 6. So there's a very good chance that someone would click on my video because it's quite near the top. Another thing to think of when uploading your videos is the actual thumbnail. It's quite important to select one that stands out. A lot of these, there's a lot of black in there. Now mine does stand out quite well. Now you can choose just a thumbnail which is taken from the video, like that one there, which is fine. But I use a website called canva.com, and in there I can design a thumbnail which will help attract attention to that video. So that's another good tip when getting started out. Okay, so another thing to remember is the content of the video itself. Keep it relevant to what the title is, what your keyword phrase is, because that's also another important thing that YouTube rank you on, is relevancy. So if your keyword phrase is regarding weight loss, and then in your video you start talking about getting the perfect golf swing, it just wouldn't make sense. And plus it'll confuse your viewer. The purpose of a YouTube video in affiliate marketing is kind of to point your viewer to whatever it is you're offering. So you get them to click a link which takes them to either your website or a landing page, so they can go through your sales funnel. And at this point, this is when you are able to build a relationship with the viewer, because the YouTube video isn't really for you to do hard sell on your product. That will turn people off really quickly. So if you can direct them to your sales funnel, you can build a relationship, build some trust with the customer, and that's when you can gently point them towards the product that you're offering. And if the customer wants to, then they can buy, and that's when you get paid your commission. As I mentioned earlier, the purpose of the video is to point the viewer towards your website or landing page, and the way to do that is with a call to action. Actually ask the viewer if they want to. You're not hard selling, to click the link in your description, which will take them to your offer, your website or your landing page, and explain the benefits of why they would do that. So I hope you got some value from that today. If so, give us a thumbs up, would appreciate that. And leave us a comment in the box below. Love to hear from you. And any other topics, any subject in affiliate marketing that you'd like me to cover in another video, I'd be only too happy to oblige. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't miss out on any other videos from this channel. And also, you can get access to my 4 free-day training series. Loads of tips and strategies in there, how to get started in affiliate marketing. Well worth having a look. So for now, that's it for today. It's been good to talk to you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye now.